As COVID-19 continues to spread, many Utahns are facing serious threats to the quality of care they receive. If you visited a hospital recently and been denied care due to the facility's lack of resources, the Disability Law Center of Utah wants to hear about your experience. Utah's Crisis Standards of Care is a set of guidelines used by healthcare providers to save the most lives possible if there is not enough care for everyone who needs it. Thankfully, these standards ensure that a person's disability or age do not count against them when care rationing is being practiced. Whether these standards are formally invoked or not, care rationing based on disability is unlawful. Patients with disabilities are protected against discrimination when receiving health care, no matter how full our hospitals get. The following are some of the protections provided to patients under the Americans with Disabilities Act and existing civil rights statutes. You can get medical care like everyone else. No one can deny you emergency care solely based on your disability. You can bring your own ventilator. No one can take your ventilator from you and give it to another patient. If you disagree with a doctor's decision about care rationing, you or your family can appeal the decision. No one can pressure you into agreeing to stopping or withholding life-sustaining treatment. You should receive information about the available treatment options before you make a decision. You have the right to request reasonable accommodations when rationing your care is being considered. We suggest you make requests in writing if possible. You have the right to accessible information and effective communication, such as interpreters, picture boards, and speech devices, information in plain language, audio, large print, and captioning. If you have a person who helps you with communication and understanding, they should be allowed to help you in the hospital. If you've experienced any form of care rationing, contact the Disability Law Center by calling our hotline at 801-692-3497 or visit www.disabilitylawcenter.org.